Polygon, previously known as MATIC, has been dropping in price for around the past few months now. There are, however, a few things that need to be addressed that may indicate that we have begun our journey towards reaching the bottom, because the last time the Relative Strength Index, or simply RSI, touched this particular area, we saw a massive move follow. Welcome back, everyone, to yet another video in Crypto Channel. If you like our content and feel the need to constantly update yourself with news and the latest discussions that go around in the world of cryptocurrencies, feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Also, please like this video, because every single one of your likes encourages and supports us. This is a special shout out to all the Polygon followers. Learn about the most oversold level of Polygon and all the other news updates you need to know about right now. Recent news updates by Polygon. A quick news update that jumped right into the chart only recently is that the official Polygon Twitter page posted a 30-second teaser video that you are going to want to take a look at. Simply put, gaming NFTs and much more are coming soon to Polygon. Not only has Polygon integrated hundreds of different platforms onto the network, but they continue to strive for more and grow as a community. Would we not love to see that happening? Apart from this, what can we now expect since Polygon has hit the most oversold level? We really believe that that was a really cool video that they put out there for the whole world, and the future is looking very bright for Polygon. We cannot wait to see what is next. But it is now time to jump right ahead and discuss Polygon news and charts today. The Polygon, as of the 19th of July 2021, is priced at 0.795 cents US dollars, and the market cap of Polygon is at 5.049 billion US dollars. The 24-hour trading volume amounts to exactly 342 million US dollars. Hopping right into the chart, we have already known that they will still remain well below the 200-day moving average. But, nevertheless, there seems to be an indicator that we wanted to show you guys, and something we have found very interesting, which you all will as well. Relative Strength Index and degrees of trading. The daily chart of Polygon, wherein down below we have the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. What this basically shows you is whether the price is oversold, overbought, or in between. And a good area to be able to determine that is the dotted lines on the chart. If the purple line is above the top dotted line, that could mean that the price is a little overbought, and vice versa. When coming down to the lower area, the price is starting to get oversold. What we are seeing now is that the Relative Strength Index is testing the bottom dotted line. We have not seen the RSI this oversold since early November of last year. So this is the most oversold that price for Polygon has been in about 8 consecutive months or so. We wanted to show you people what exactly happened the last time the world saw such a trend wherein the RSI was oversold, or the levels it is in right now. So around the time between November 4th and November 5th last year, there was actually the beginning of the massive uptrend and upside move that we had, leading up to today. So, as you can see, the RSI briefly falls below the dotted line, and since that happened, we have gone from around 1 cent to where we are today, and we believe an all-time high was $2.70. This is even very wild to think about. Understanding similar patterns from the past. As we look at the charts from the past, the RSI line has very rarely fallen below for Polygon, hinting at a highly oversold level. In fact, the last time that this happened before November was, and we know you all guessed this right, the doom in the month of March 2020. If you are an enthusiastic Polygon follower, we all know what happened at that time. But again, what we saw was a very brief drop below the dotted line that led to another episode of significant upside move that took place right after such an event. We do not know if any of you guys know this, but in fact, these are the only 2 times that the relative strength index has ever fallen below the 30 level, according to Binance. So, now going back to where we currently are, it is looking like we are at the cusp of the RSI level dropping below. So, the main question that arises here is that, does this mean that this is a for sure thing? Is this all we need to know before we start making decisions on what to do to make the best out of such a thing? Well, the answer is no. This is simply because we know that anything can happen in the crypto market. However, we think it is certainly the need of the hour to note that every time in the past that this has happened, a very large move has taken place shortly after, which is good news, right? Social media platforms and cryptocurrency. Also, always be one step ahead by hooking yourself up with the social media discussions of not only crypto influencers, but also ordinary crypto users. Believe it or not, social media discussions and blog articles posted in the educational portals can provide you with a variety of insights. In addition to this, knowing more about how the top-notch investors play their game will provide you with the competitive edge that you might have been missing till now. We have always been discussing such exciting times so often on this channel, and now, once again, we are sitting in a very strong support zone, a high-demand area, a 200-day moving average also entering into a key level, and also the relative strength index flashing oversold. These are all reasons why we have been saying and consequently believe that this is the absolute best time to dollar cost average into your position. But again, does this mean that this is cent% the bottom? We personally believe that we are in the bottom territory, but of course, we could be wrong. Nobody can ever know for sure what is going on or what is going to happen, but we can only go by what the data is showing and predict the future by looking at events from the past when such data were being flashed by Polygon. There is always this possibility that it could go a little lower, but as we have shown from previous times, that when the RSI fell below, it was very quickly pushed back up and followed by a big move to the upside. Now, if we hide the RSI indicator for just a moment and look at straight-up price action in November of last year, the last time the RSI became oversold. Leading up to it, we have something very similar to what we are seeing today. We have a bit of a double top of lower high, then followed by a multiple-month downtrend. Moving back down to late 2020, what do we see? A bit of double two again followed by a lower high. This is then followed by a multi-month downtrend, after which we reached the point of oversold. Right after this, we took off. Today, as we are flirting with the heavily oversold territory, we could be seeing something similar. We think it is possible, but the key point to note here is that we have seen a similar pattern to the type of price action, as well as indicators in the past. If history does repeat itself, which is not guaranteed by any means, then we would be nearing a bottom very soon. We hope this video will prove to be informative for you and that it has answered some of your questions about what can be predicted for the near future with respect to Polygon. Please come back for more videos if you want to be well aware of the latest discussions in the world of cryptocurrency. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also, like this video and comment down below your thoughts regarding MATIC. We will see you soon. Till then, ciao.